How to fix SOS Only on iPhone. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix SOS Only on iPhone. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So in today's video I will be sharing you guys some of 3 potential tips which will surely fix your problem, and those are as follows. So the first one is turn airplane mode on and off. If carrier coverage is available in your area, temporarily activate and deactivate airplane mode to reset the network connection and get rid of the SOS only message. Swipe down from the upper right corner to open the control center. Turn on the airplane mode and wait for a few minutes or two. Turn it off and try again. So now that was the first fix. Now the second one is turning on the data roaming option. If you plan to travel outside your state or country, turn on data roaming to avoid the no service error. So first of all, open settings on iPhone. After that, select mobile services. Then tap on mobile data options. Then simply turn on data roaming. After this as well, this should also fix your problem. If not, then let's go to the final and the last solution, which is updating the carrier settings. So first of all, go to the settings and scroll to general. Then tap on about. If an update is available, you may see a pop-up, install it, and you are good to go. Now, after following this following step, your problem will be fixed. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.